movie?
What movie?
A Fair with the Monsters?
Oh.
Scooby-Doo?
The Scooby-Doo movie?
Yeah. Guys, watch me climb on this. Whoa. Whoa.
Wow, excellent balance, kiddo. So, let's see, what day is it? It's October 11. Decided to drive up into the forest so that we could see aspen trees. They look really nice. What is it?
I got 2 swords. For you. This you. This is mine.
Okay, well, I'll play with my sword in a little bit, okay?
Wow! Very cool. Oh, cool.
He's been into throwing sticks for like the last month or so. What's over there? Scary monkeys.
Scary monkeys up there. I'll shoot them. I shoot those scary monkeys.
Yeah. Do you like it out in the forest? Gallon, do you like it out in the forest?
Yes. Yes. You have this.
Okay.
You have a gun. Okay.
Got my stick. Got my sword.
No, it's a gun.
Oh no, we're not. I don't play with guns. Guns are not toys. What's up there?
Scary monkey.
Scary monkeys.
Oh, God. Oh.
What color are the scary monkeys?
Brown.
Uh-huh.
Kill them.
Oh no, no, no.
Huh?
We don't kill other animals, honey.
I do. Are scary.
Well, just because they're scary doesn't mean we need to hurt them.
I do. I will bite people. Animals will bite people.
You think they'll come and bite you?
Yeah. Animals don't bite people.
That, by the way, is chocolate on his face. From this morning's hot chocolate. Did you like your hot chocolate this morning?
Here, Will, my
Hey, do you want to go get your
dinosaur.
Do you want to go get your truck that you got as a present today and show Grandma and Grandpa your truck?
Where are they?
It's over there by the trees, the pile where the juices are and stuff. Do you see it? We went to a couple thrift stores today to find pants that fit him because he's so tall. He's got a lot of his pants are high waters.
This?
Yeah, let's put it down on the ground so we can look at it. You want to point to it and show Grandma and Grandpa? You point to it and go, there it is, Grandma and Grandpa.
There it is. Grandma and Grandpa.
Yeah, do you want to show them how it moves?
It goes like this, Grandpa. It goes like this, Grandma.
What is that?
A shooting car?
It's a shooting car?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It can